next leg of our journey took us to John Neal Memorial Park in Lyons, Oregon, where we spent 4 days relaxing alongside the Santiam River. On day 2 of this stop, the whole crew went together to go see South Falls at Silver Falls State Park. And on day 3, I returned for a solo hike on the Trail of 10 Falls, a 7.5-mile hike featuring 10 breathtaking waterfalls. Thanks for watching, and follow us if you want to see where we wandered to next on our journey.